traveling hippie of co-working. Pitta, because I think chavapi only comes with meat, right? And I'm vegetarian. I'll take pitta. The hills. It's so beautiful being surrounded by these hills. Exciting. Freeing. Challenging. Can't believe you would do this to me. Okay, first reason, I don't have to worry about how it's being run. I can just be a member. Second reason, the sun is out far more often and it's very nice and warm. Third reason, I think you've definitely got more coffee machines than we do. Do you know what, at the moment, currently probably the job that I have, being able to work for a co-working app founded by someone else who loves co-working, that I can do remotely and I can use it to go and travel co-working spaces around the world. That's basically my dream. That or something where I can dance or perform professionally, but it's quite a different track. I don't need no man. Maybe settled somewhere a bit. I have dreams to live in Spain for a few years. Maybe I'll still be there. Maybe I would have gone back to Melbourne. I think I'll be a bit more stable by that point. I don't need no man. Why are you doing this to me? Australia, it's the number one home. It's where the sun shines. It's where my family is. Have fun. It's later than you think.